Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to my channel, and today in this video we are going to look at an important functionality of WooCommerce, which is shipping zones. Shipping zones allow you to put a different price or free shipping ranges based on the location of the customer. To demonstrate that, right now, if you order anything on our website, let me just add something over here. If I go to view cart and then proceed to checkout, you will see that my shipping is considered to be free. But most of the time, this is not what is going to happen. So, what is the features available with WooCommerce which will allow us to create a shipping zone, and based on that we can change the pricing and stuff like that. To configure this, we will go into WooCommerce settings and then we will go to shipping. Inside shipping, by default, one zone is already added and that method is free shipping. Let's go inside and see what is the case. Okay. So what we see is the name is India, the zone name, region is India, which is, it's a drop down where you can select stuff. Okay. And then we have free shipping. So why don't we do one thing? We will remove free shipping from here. So choose the shipping method you wish to add. Only shipping methods which support zones are listed. Let's just say we will add a flat rate for all over India. A flat rate of 200. And this is taxable. Fine. Hit save changes. And now, if I go over here, hit refresh, it says shipping flat rate 200. That means my total order amount now is 9,495 plus the 200 shipping charge. Fine. This is something which is important. Now, how can we go one level higher? Let me go to shipping zone, add one more zone. Let's call it Maharashtra. I'll pick up Maharashtra from here because that's available. And then add one more shipping zone, flat rate. Let's just say for this state, everywhere it is 100. 100 rupees less than the rate that I'm charging all over India. Taking a lot of time. Okay, now it has happened. If I come over here, try to refresh, let's see what happens. So we have a change in our price. What if I change my state? If it is something else, can you see the shipping rate changes? If I select Maharashtra, the shipping rate changes again. So this is now working almost like a tier. All over India, we have a flat rate of 200. And if it is Maharashtra, then the flat rate is 100. Now, I want to do one more thing, which is, let's just say, nearby. Okay, this is one shipping zone. And in here, what I will do is, let's say, I'll support certain pin codes. 1702. And it says it takes range as well. Okay, let's see the documentation. What is the format? I'm looking for that zone kind of a thing. Okay, this is the one. So it says if it is something like wildcard, this to this. Okay, maybe I'll try that. So in here, I'll do 3.29. So ideally, that means if I put anything which is from 1 to 9, this shipping zone should trigger. And here, let's just say I will have a local pickup as well and a free shipping as well, because this is very close to my store. So I'm saying, this is fine. All right. This is configured. I'll put this as priority. And now let us refresh. What do we see? We see a local pickup and a free shipping. If I change it to something else, can you see the local pickup or free shipping went away because this pin code is different. Now, let's try and understand if our range is working. If I have something like 701, 2, 3 or 5. So this is 701. I get that, which is expected. Again, I'm getting these two, which is expected. But if I do 10, now I again get a flat rate of 100 because that particular range is not covered over here. So as you can see, with these options, we are able to create a situation where we are able to give a better shipping rate to the customers who are nearby, and we can charge a higher amount for customers who are far away. This is going to be a very important aspect in any shop for any store owner, because logistics is a very important aspect. So yeah, that's what I wanted to cover in this video. Let me know what are your thoughts. If you want to discuss something, click on the link below for the Discord community and you can discuss over there. If you like this video, do click on the thumbs up icon and don't forget to subscribe to my channel.